are you drawing?
Wow.
Are you drawing the hand?
No. I'm gonna drink all of it.
Give us.
No. Don't be naughty, Finn.
Oh, magic hand.
I disappearing. You cannot see me. You cannot see me.
You're almost done, Godfrey.
Finish.
Wow, finished. Now we're gonna do the second part. What we gonna do, Miss Anna?
Water.
Yeah.
I want to be first.
Let's observe. What will happen? What will happen?
But you still have half of it, and you can.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, gross.
Don't
It's
worry.
too big.
Don't worry, because it's too big. We can try a little hard.
Successful.
Yeah, it's okay.
Because it should be like.
Yeah. You shake it. Later.
I want to do one more.
Okay, let's do one more.
One more.
Just draw a little, okay? Little picture, like a hard star, moon. Yeah, maybe.
You see?
Wow.
You should learn from mistake too big. So later maybe you can just draw some simple pictures, simple. Go wash your hands and put it in the toilet.
Yeah. We can do one more time. Second challenge. Don't draw too big. Don't draw too big. Yeah.
You can have some simple pictures, make it into one very meaningful or beautiful drawing.
I need to use the heart and make a human.
Really? Oh, I look forward. Where's the eyes and nose?
Wow. What are we gonna do now?
Okay.
Water.
Finn, ask the.
Ooh. Finn, use your hand. Wow. Ooh. Wow, your picture can fly.
But it's broken.
Can you use your hand?
Oh, shake it first.
Yeah.
Make sure the heart
It's
is
on your
floating.
hand right now, Finn?
Is it floating? Yeah, floating. Oh, you see?
Try just a
Let's
little bit.
make it
No?
too big. No, why no?
Oh, success, right?
Because you should press more.
Yeah.
Could you?
You
Yeah.
I need.
Yeah, press
T-shirt is
more.
I
You
need
need-
it. Help me.
Okay.
Oh, almost.
Oh, yeah, you got one. Okay. Yeah, you got one. Da 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 da. Yeah, I got one. On my finger. It's like a blood, zombie blood. Zombie blood.
Take some practice.
Ooh. Gently. Yeah, gently get the color.
Get the color out.
Oh yeah, use your finger. You still can catch the color.
Not enough water or it's not?
Too much
I don't know. I
water.
think it needs practice.
Too much water, but then I use too much water.
Yeah. Let me send to try.
Later, just like that.
Da, 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 da. Ooh. Wow. Wow, well done. Let the camera see that. Yes, that big success. Yes. Ooh. Yeah. Pick it all. Yeah. Whoa, with success. Wow, to show us. Wow, welcome. Wow. Cool. So we guys can do at our place, right? Everyone can do it. Wow, see that? So cool. Oh, well done.
Well done.
We succeed.
Yay!
See you next
Yeah, give the thumbs